Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to collaborate your Google Keep with another person's. So let's get started. So now I'm open my previous note and I'll share this note with my another Gmail account with my Android. This is my Android phone, Redmi 5 Plus. So I'm just unlock this. Okay. So guys, keep note, this is my email address and I'll share this keep note. Okay, and I'm just open Google Keep, the Play Store. Okay, Google Keep. Okay, now search Google Keep and install it. Okay, just 8.8 megabytes. Just wait and see. Keep watching this video. I hope subscribe our channel and like this video. So guys, I'm just start with apps and turn on sync. Just turn on. Okay, map has been stopped. What the hell, man? So guys, this is the my all email and just 5 emails. I'm just using last one. So guys, here options, no add any note. I'm just share this note and click collaborate options and type with Gmail. So guys, type when done, just click save and collaborated done. So you can refresh this and just switch this note. So guys, I have already visible here, and this is the bright theme and this is the dark theme. So how can I customize this? So keep watching video. Next time chat with another new episode.